There is a girl in my neighborhood named Aditi. She is very beautiful, humble, cheerful, and intelligent. There are four members in her family: her parents, one younger sister, and herself. Her father is a shopkeeper, and her mother is a homemaker. Her younger sister, Nishi, is a student in ninth grade. Aditi goes to learn English at TLN Academy. Although she doesn't belong to an English speaking family, yet she speaks English fluently. She likes English so much that she practices it for 3 hours every day. For practice, she watches English news, interviews of celebrities, and movies on TV. She also listens to English songs and stories. She seems to be so interested in English because she speaks English all the time, even if you talk to her in Hindi. Almost all the people in the neighborhood love to talk to her. Many people come to her so that they can also learn English. Her dream is to become a news anchor at USA Today News Channel. She is very famous in her area. Now, here are a few questions that you need to answer.